Hello, welcome to our Neo4j Crash Course Episode 1. In this episode, we will learn how to install Neo4j Edition using Docker and access our first web console. So, to install Neo4j with Docker, we just need to run this command. This is the name of our container, and these are the ports that we bind to our host so that we can have access. These are the volumes that we wanted to mount or bind into the host so that we can have a copy of our data that we generate into our Neo4j container. Thus, even if we are going to destroy our container, we can still reuse it to other instances. This is the required environment variable for Neo4j to run. This is the authentication credential, username and password that is required when we connect to our Neo4j instance. Let's execute the command. After the image has been downloaded and executed, we can now check whether the container is running or not. As you can see here, our container is up and running. Now, let's try to open the web console and see whether it's running or not. The web console has been successfully set up and the Neo4j instance. This concludes the episode 1. See you in the next video, which talks about the creation of nodes.